some people say the gods are angry with us. We not fed the gods. We go and do sacrifice. Now we now really know what is what happening. So that's why we decided to have the diarrhea disease. So that is it on that. Like I've already told you, it's the second cause of under 5 world mortality. Not just in Nigeria, but in sub-Saharan world, Africa, and then Southeast Asia. Now, for diarrhea, what really could cause diarrhea? What are the causes of diarrhea? 1, 2, 3,
Lack of personal hygiene.
4, 5. What is it? And that one to come indirectly. So let's talk about the direct one. Poor personal hygiene. I mean, good. Poor personal hygiene. Any other one? Yeah.
Sometimes poverty.
Poverty is indirect. Indirect. Yes, poverty is virtually the cause of almost all the infections another ailment, but they come indirectly. We used to say hunger doesn't kill, but hunger causes what kill, isn't it? So we now see the causes of what? Diarrhea. But basically, the major cause of diarrhea is what? Poor hygiene. Remember, we are talking about children here. It's what? Poor what? Hygiene. Now, let me tell us again, please. The people that comes to you take care of them, they are the doctors you see. That's why we train you. When we get knowledge, we train you to become as much more equipped like ourselves. But we want to tell you your limits. When we train you, we also tell you your limits. That's why when we reach certain stage, you say what? Refer. Isn't it? You stabilize and what? Refer. Even myself as a doctor, there are some cases that come to me. I do what? Stabilize and what? Refer. You get to a more senior person. The person do the one he can. Stabilize and what? Refer. What we are dealing with is human what? Life. We're not dealing with chickens and goats. And if you want to place man, at the end of the day, you take away life. What will judge you for it? Because you know what to do. So that is it on that. So on this diarrhea disease, we now talk about the causes. We talk about the causes of diarrhea disease. And I told you the major causes is what? Poor hygiene. The food we are giving to the children under 5. How well prepared are they? The environment where they are prepared, how clean it is. The water they are drinking, we get to the stream, we get pour water and give to them without boiling and sealing it. And when they ask you, say, is the water I'm drinking? That child is below 5 years. His level of immunity is not up to yours. So whatever I'm telling you is for you, your family, and for people who are coming to you for what? Treatment. That's why WHO have taken time to express woman breast, and they took it to lab, spent years, and came out to tell us that the best way to feed a baby who is under the food is what? Exclusive what? Breast milk. Breast milk contains more than 95% of what? Water. So some people say, so the baby will die of thirst. Now, no! 95% of what? Water. That's what breast milk contains. It contains every other thing. You can talk about sodium, the chloride, the vitamins, the minerals, all of them in standard quantity. Have you ever had a child who, after, because the child was just being breastfed, at the end of the day, the child died out of hunger? Have you ever had something like that? No. So when they come to you, preach to them about exclusive what? Breastfeeding. Let me also tell you advantage of another advantage of exclusive breastfeeding. It saves you what? Cost. It saves you what? Money. saves you money. You are not doing anything. Whenever the baby wants, you bring it out and what? And give to the baby. The only thing is that you as the mother now need to be what? Eating what? Very fine. Hello? Hello? So that is it on that aspect. So poor hygiene is really messing the whole situation. I don't want us to go into the pathophysiology. You know, the major virus that causes it, we call it was the rotavirus. Why I'm saying this is because we will come to it later. We have rotavirus, which is the major one. Then we have what? The bacteria.
Just continues on. It's recording. It's recording.
Diarrhea disease is caused by what? Rotavirus. That's why mostly we don't advise if somebody is having diarrhea, you go and give what do they call it? Which one do you give? But you don't even know what is wrong with the person. Yeah, if you say somebody is having diarrhea, I can give you 200 of what will cause that thing. But most times we assume the first command that is what? Diarrhea. Like we normally say, every fever is malaria until what? Proven what? Otherwise, isn't it? Good. So, now, when the child presents with malaria, what do? Go back to us. I've talked so much. What do? Don't leave this organ. Don't leave this. We start giving people award. I might surprise you people when we finish. When somebody comes with diarrhea, a child presents with diarrhea to you, what do? Like my colleagues, what we teach you here is practical things. We don't teach what is abstract. When a child comes here and now, what do? You say this child is having diarrhea, what do?
You first take the history from the mother. After the history, examination. Then after the examination, you now diagnose the diarrhea. Then you will do your treatment. And the major thing in diarrhea is the food invasion and electrified.
You know, he went big. You know, he's a very big person. So we want somebody who will break it down for us so that we understand. Break it down for us. When a child comes now, what will you do? Alright, you want to say something?
Well, in 7 months, the diagnosis is just diarrhea. Yes.